Hey there, my networking friend. It's so good to see you today. Thank you for being here. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Networking Know How, our weekly live training to help you network more effectively and stress free, like we do in our Down and Dirty Networking online community. Today, I'm sharing a super simple way to network in 5 minutes and have fun doing it. So, drop me the number 5 or a high five emoji in the comments if you would like for me to share these super simple tips with you. And if you stay until the end, I have a bonus tip that is a game changer that I shared in our member event. So let me know if you want me to share. Now, if this is your first time tuning in and we have not yet connected, I'm Laura Morlando, the Stress Commando, and I am the founder and CEO of Down and Dirty Networking. Now, if you're watching live or on replay, please say hi in chat so I can acknowledge you and let me know where you're watching from. One of the best parts about what I do is connecting with people from all over the globe. So interact with me in chat. I see a couple people watching live, so that's awesome. I'm so glad you are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so quick question. What percent of people who don't maintain contact with their network said they don't have enough time for networking? Yep. Put your best guess in chat or the comments. What percent of people who don't maintain contact with their network said they don't have enough time for networking? I'm looking for a percentage. So drum roll, the correct answer is, according to Zippia, 49% of people who don't maintain contact with their network said they don't have enough time for networking. So 49% is the correct answer. But here's the thing. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people with the best intentions to stay in contact with their network, but time gets in the way. Drop me a comment if this is you. Is time the challenge? I'm sharing a super simple way to stay in contact with your network and have fun doing it. Okay, first let's talk about the power of networking. According to Zippia, 85% of jobs are filled via networking with personal or professional connections. Up to 70% of employees receive their current company position through networking. 79% of Americans agree that networking plays a vital role in their career progression. Now, despite knowing the power of networking, I think most people see networking as a chore. I know I did. So when I would say I didn't have time to network, what I was really saying is that I didn't see the value in it. And more deeply, as an introvert, it takes too much energy to network. So I'll avoid it despite knowing it's good for me. Kind of like working out or eating healthy. We all know it's good for us, but often we avoid it. So I've discovered a few simple tips to make networking stress-free, simple, effective, and fun. So get ready to take notes. Number 1, block off 5 minutes in your calendar, either daily, 3 times per week, or weekly. You choose only 5 minutes. Number 2, and each block of 5 minutes, write in the names of people that pop into your mind that you need to reconnect with or that you've been thinking of lately. So for example, if you are blocking off 5 minutes 3 times per week, you would put three names in each of the 5-minute blocks, meaning you are going to connect with 15 people per week. Or if you're blocking off 5 minutes every week, you are connecting with 3 people per week. Make sense? All right, number 3. During your 5 minutes, reach out to the 3 people via text, email, or on social media. You can say, thinking of you, what's new and exciting with you? Or search their social media profile to see what's new and interact on one of their posts. That's it. Number 4, when they respond, you can reply instantly or respond during your next 5-minute block of scheduled time. Now, the best part about this strategy is that it's super easy to do and you feel good doing it and hearing back from the person you reached out to. Connections are the lifeline off the island of alone, and this is an easy way to stay tethered to those that matter. If you do this consistently, say 5 minutes per week to start, and you connect with 3 people each time, that means you have stayed in contact with 156 people during the course of 1 year. Isn't that amazing? 156 people connecting 5 minutes every week. Sounds doable, right? Now, if you blocked off 2 5-minute blocks or 3 5-minute blocks per week, then those numbers double and triple. So connecting with either 312 or 468 people each year, respectively. That's insane. If you told me to connect with that many people in a year, it would feel like a chore again. But when you break it down into 5-minute blocks, it seems doable. And like working out, you don't want to do it, but when you do, you are so glad you did. This is the same way. You feel so good connecting. Now, I'm going to share a bonus tip to network at meetings and events in less than 5 minutes that is super fun. Now, earlier today, we had our member event. It was such a great conversation. It prompted me to remember one of my longest tried and true tips to have fun connecting without expending energy as an introvert. And it is utilizing the power of a name badge like this one. You guys know these name badges? Or using your participant name like the one that you see across the screen with my name. Instead of putting your name, put something else that can be a conversation icebreaker. For example, what is the number one objection or misperception you get about what you do? For example, in Down and Dirty Networking, people think we are all about traditional networking filled with 30-second commercials and sales pitches. So instead of my name, I would put not a sales pitch on my name badge or on my screen name. This immediately prompts people to ask, why are you not a sales pitch? Or ask whatever you've put in place of your name. This is so effective when meeting regularly because it gets boring and mind numbing to say the same things over and over and over again to the same people. And truth be told, they aren't thrilled about hearing it that way over and over either. And after time, they are no longer listening and learning anything meaningful about you. There are so many ways I've used this. So if you want to learn more, drop me a DM and I am happy to share and help. Not only is this so much more fun, but people will engage with you. So a lot less energy is spent, which is perfect for us introverts. The best part is the interaction and connection happen as soon as they read your name badge. So this takes less than 5 minutes and is super fun too. Now, here at Down and Dirty Networking, we take all of the awkwardness and pitches away and curate a format of meaningful conversations in a fun environment. Nothing for you to do but co-elevate, collaborate, and connect. We do the heavy lifting for you, and staying connected with our community is already built in. Nothing extra to do. But if you are trying to figure out how to reconnect with your network and spice up your networking in less than 5 minutes, your action step is to choose your 5-minute blocks and schedule them in your calendar. And if you choose, try out the name badge and online name idea and let me know how that works for you. Okay, networker, I hope this was helpful. If so, let me know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up or tag a friend that could use these tips today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and videos. Remember to tune in every Wednesday afternoon between 3:30 and 5:30 Central Standard Time for this live networking know-how, and catch any of our replays on our Down and Dirty Networking LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube page. Also, make sure you have subscribed to our Networking Boost newsletter. We just dropped our latest issue today, so I will put the link in the comments for you to check it out. Thanks for all our wonderful members for a wonderful member event. I so appreciate you. And again, thank you for watching live and on replay. I look forward to seeing you at the next week, our next networking know-how. And until then, happy networking.